ThinkBook 14s Yoga Gen 2. Processor 12th generation Intel Core i5-1235U. Memory 8 GB soldered DDR4 3200 MHz hard drive 256 GB M2 2242 S DPCIe Gen 3 TLC 1. Pen storage 2. Power button with fingerprint reader 3. Micro SD card slot 4. USB-A 3.1 Gen 15. Kensington Nano security slot 6. USB-C Gen 2, power in, 7. USB-C Thunderbolt 4.8. HDMI 2.09. USB-A 3.1 Gen 1, always on, 10. Headphone, mic combo 11. Novo Whole. Power to breeze through tasks. The ThinkBook 14s Yoga Gen 2 convertible laptop features 12th Gen Intel Core processors for maximum computing power and long battery life. With an AI-enhanced hybrid architecture, tasks are split among cores optimized for performance or efficiency. You'll breeze through your work. There's even available Wi-Fi 6E, Intel's fastest yet, for more stable wireless connections and faster speeds. 4 modes for ultimate flexibility. SMBs succeed by adapting to client needs, and there's nothing more flexible than a 2-in-1 laptop like the ThinkBook 14s Yoga. Use it to type and create in laptop mode. Or take advantage of the 360 degrees hinge for tent, stand, and tablet modes. Plus, with Windows 11 Snapgroups, you can instantly call up related apps for each mode, from presenting charts to counting inventory. Vibrant touchscreen with virtual keyboard. The 14 inches FHD Dolby Vision display on the ThinkBook 14s Yoga Gen 2 delivers crisp visuals with 100% sRGB color gamut. The anti-fingerprint touchscreen accepts multi-finger gestures and features a phone-like on-screen keyboard, perfect for tablet use. It's low blue light certified, too, with protective Corning Gorilla Glass and Lenovo Super Resolution for automatic video upscaling. Portable, durable, and good-looking. Choosing a multi-mode, convertible laptop already makes you a mobile productivity trendsetter. But the ThinkBook 14s Yoga Gen 2 makes a statement in other ways, too. You can get it in either mineral gray or abyss blue. It's ultra-portable, just 16.9 mm (0.67) thin, with an 86% screen-to-body ratio. And with metal exteriors on 3 sides, it's got a durable, premium look and feel.